आपके राइट से दीपिका मैडम चलिए स्टार्ट सर क्या
और
दिस इज फॉर द मीटिंग
नो चैनल
सर ले रहे लाइक एएनआई सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे क्या मोटिव था पूरी मीटिंग का
ये मीटिंग इसलिए हुई कि कुछ फिल्म सर्टिफिकेशन बोर्ड के बारे में इंडस्ट्री के लोगों में कुछ डर और कुछ गुस्सा था आने लगा था कि कुछ ज्यादतियाँ हो रही हैं और ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। वो मिनिस्टर साहब ने अश्योर किया कि नहीं ऐसी कोई बात नहीं होगी। सर्टिफिकेशन बोर्ड है, ये सेंसर बोर्ड नहीं है और सर्टिफिकेट के हिसाब से वो फिल्में देखी जाएगी और ऐसा ही होगा। थोड़ा सा वक्त होना चाहिए क्योंकि जब जल्दबाजी होती है तो वक्त नहीं होता, तो उसके वजह से फिर आगे जाना पड़ता है।
पूरा गुस्सा प्रहलाद जी का था?
नहीं ऐसी
मोटो मीटिंग का क्या था? पूरी मीटिंग का मोटो
भाई मोटो ये है कि इंडस्ट्री को कुछ घबराहट है, कुछ चीज़ों से परेशान है। एक मिनिस्ट्री जो है, मिनिस्टर जो कंसर्न्ड है इस इंडस्ट्री से, सरकार के, उनसे अपनी परेशानियां आप बात कर सके एक ओपन मीटिंग में, ये प्रिंसिपल था।
What are the issues that have been discussed? Some key points.
See, I'll tell you, the principle of it has been discussed. There are a lot of problems. For instance, the fact that if I accept an adult certificate, then they say this word, that shouldn't be there, right? And that's not part of this. This is the Central Board of Film Certification. You can give me an adult certificate. You can't say, don't put this word, that word. So that's discussed. The fact that the promos of the film have to be recensored, even if it's if you have a 90-second song, then if I cut it to a 30-second promo, I've already censored the whole song, or the whole song has been certified. Now why make me go again for a 30-second cut of that? So that's a problem. Then, you have to put that no smoking thing. So please put a anti-smoking film at the beginning of the film, at the end of the film. The industry can cooperate, and the bigger actors of the industry will make films which show how smoking is bad for your health or that it kills. But please don't intrude in the middle. Don't intrude in the film. Right? So that's been discussed. The fact that arbitrarily a lot of people, there are things like a lot of permissions. For example, the animal board welfare. Now, if a stray dog comes into my frame, then I have to prove that I wasn't cruel to that dog, and I have to go take some permission in Chennai. So that's unnecessary harassment. So that, all those things that sort of intrude. Anybody puts a case on us, right? Films are very vulnerable. Raju Irani is now fighting more than 100 cases all over the country, right? So, why? Why should the judge admit? But that's a matter, everything, is not a magic wand. He can't solve every problem. Because it has to do with other laws, and it is part of the laws of the land. So, but it was discussed in an open way.
Were the producers, really in a fix? Did they call for this meeting, or did it just happen? Was it the
No, I think it's I think he himself wanted to meet. and I think it was the association presidents and the industry leaders and them in contact who sort of organized the meeting.
Also, the ban, the ban that was there on cuss words was on hold for a while after the previous meeting had happened.
See, the
Is it
principle,
still-
no, there is no ban.
There is no ban.
There is no ban on any cuss word. Let us be clear. That is what is discussed, and that is why it should not be person-centric. The principle of it all is that, and that was discussed. We were not discussing anybody in particular. We are talking about the principle of it all. And that was discussed, and I don't think there is any ban. There is no ban, and that has been removed. I think it's been clarified rather, and that there is no such thing.
जब से प्रहलाद जी आए हैं तब से ही इस तरह के इश्यूज उठे हैं, तो क्या ये मीटिंग उन्हीं को लेकर?
नहीं, और भी इश्यूज हैं
जी
भाई। हर बार सरकार जब बदलती है, मंत्री नए आते हैं, तो इंडस्ट्री मिलती है, ये तो रिवाज रहा है, और आप उन्हीं को बताएंगे आपकी समस्याएं क्या है.
But
It is so. I mean, we are talking about certification and our problems with the CBFC, right? जब राकेश कुमार जी भी आए थे, तो उन्होंने भी एक इंटरव्यू दिया था. He gave an interview to a daily where he said मेरी पत्नी जो थी उनके साथ मैं एक फिल्म देखने गया तो मुझे कैसा अजीब लगा कि फिल्म कैसी है. आपके पर्सनल जो विचार हैं वो आप रखिए अपने घर में. उस आपको हक है वो विचार रखने का. हम ये नहीं कह रहे हैं. हम कह रहे हैं कि आप हमको उस बेसिस पे सेंसर मत कीजिए, क्योंकि आप सेंसर बोर्ड है नहीं, आप सर्टिफिकेशन बोर्ड है.
also there is a lot of dissemination in the CBFC itself. लोग सहमत नहीं है वो जो डिसीजन लिए जा रहे हैं उससे. Does
हाँ,
that
कोई
affect
डिसीजन
somebody?
नहीं है. देयर इज अ डिस्कशन. देयर आर नो सी no individual can give us make a general, because this is a constitutional body, right? This is a body which is, you know, it's not person centric. A person cannot come and change the it has to be done then by an act of parliament or something, you know. I mean, because you know a person cannot change the job that's entrusted to that organization, right? So I mean, it's not going to happen. I think.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.